Hi friends, today we are discussing about the Rosalind compiler platform and IDE tools. What is meant by Rosalind compiler platforms IDE tools? It is a .NET compiler platform analyzer. Inspects your C Sharp or Visual Basic code for styles, quality, maintainability, design, and maintainability kind of issues can be found it. This inspections or analyzers is done during design time in all open files. Suppose whenever developing the code kind of things, whenever writing any logic and or building any code in your C Sharp .NET or any languages, those times it can be find the issues, all these things. This Arcelor analyzer divided into the three groups. First one is code style, second one is code quality, and the third party is NewsJet package things. Now we are discussing about the code style. What is meant by code style? Code style analyzers are built into the Visual Studio. The diagnostic ID or code for these analyzers is of the format IDE some blah 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 0067 IDE 0068 like that we can find it. Code style analyzer issues kind of things. Let me give me one example to you. Suppose this like this way ID 0. This is not an issue, just is a kind of warning kind of things. Current this particular file having these are the using directories must be placed inside the namespace. These are the things we are getting the code style analyzers. And now another one is this is a warning kind of things you can be find it. This IDE tools, this coming under these things coming under the .NET 5 version after .NET 5 version only. And the second one is code quality. Code quality means what is the code quality for how much how to write the code. Are you using it properly? Constructed methods are you using or not? Property variables declaring properly or not? These things can be taken care by the code quality kind of things. Like this syntax code quality syntax like this way. CA 2208 this means method create pass the parameters names animals the message arguments argument exceptions these are the quality kind of things we are you properly maintain these things or not standards or not these things can be maintained by the code quality style analyzers code quality analyzers. And third party is the third party analyzer can is the user packages or Visual Studio extensions. These suppose we are whenever installing the user packages or Visual Studio extensions, so those are coming under the these are coming under the third party analyzers. The third party analyzers such as style crops, recycle address, X unit analyzers, unit sonar cube, resharper. These are all call coming under the third party analyzers. And now we are discussing about the server level of analyzers. Server level of analyzers containing how many types of server level of analyzers we had. Uh, each analyzer on the following server levels. Like suppose serverity of solution explorer kind of things, it containing the errors. Uh, Solution explorer containing the headers, warnings, informations, hidden, no, none, default. These are coming under the serverity of server level, solution explorer level serverity things. Second one is editor config files. Editor config files means error kind of things, warnings, suggestions like which what kind of suggestions we have using the editor config files, silent kind of things, non-default. These are coming under the uh, editor config file serverities. And third one is build time behavior. Build time behavior means how to like what are the type of behavior of the particular application for the whenever building the applications. Those things can be taken care by the build time behaviors. First one is build time, and whereas earlier we discussed the error in editor config files. Why? violation appears as error in the error list. Which kind of error will be displayed? Those things will be taken as a built-in behavior. Building the application, when are building the application, we are getting the built-in error kind of things, messages. Like warnings also can be shown by the what type of warning. Here we can show use description like user directive must be placed. These are the kind of errors, warnings like that we can be shown there. Third one is suggestions. We need to do what kind of suggestions, what are the parameters I need to add it. Is there any styling properly or not, closing tests or not properly not. Like a code snippet, whenever writing the code, we click code snippet tool is there. Those tools will be configured. They will correct the code things. Those things will be tell the silent kind of things to build your time behavior time. Suppose your code is not properly configured, we are getting some things, we are unwanted variables are declaring. Those things also tell by the build time behaviors. And next one is editor behavior. Build editor behavior is offering the code is underlined undefined with the red as suitables like this way. Uh, Undefine the code. Undefine the code like this way. I will show you the picture. See, undefine the code like this. The property values are not defined properly. Any kind of things. Suppose this method I'm using, I will like this. I will give an example. One example here. Obj dot method add. I'm getting error is obj there. I'm getting error in obj. Why I am getting not obj? I did not declare the class variable here. Obj equal to new class. I did not declare the obj class is new. I did not declare new obj class obj equal to new class is equal to obj dot add. I did not declare this one. So I'm getting the I did not declare this one. So I'm getting the error. Like warnings also can be differentiate like that only. The and uh, apart from that, the analyzer verifications violations represent the error list matching the server level settings of the rules. Analyzer violations also show up the code editor as a square under the offering codes. The follow these are offering codes. These are the things will be shown there by the code analyzer. Like we'll see. Yeah, I will show you the one. Now, see this one. Here, static void main, it shows the green symbol and red symbol. Why green symbol? Green symbols displays like main method displays the warning kind of things. Second one is int add is the error kind of things. We need to fix immediately. If you can build the application, if you can say this int add red symbol is there, we get the error. If you can, if you whenever write the code, green symbol is there. We did not get the error, but we get the warning message kind of things, information, kind of things we are getting from there. And then and mention is there. So now we can declare the many analyzer rules or diagnostics have one or more associated codes fixes that you can apply the correct the rule violations. Suppose I will give one example. I will show you one things. Suppose you are getting the public class program. Here program is not there. Just you can issue the rule. This type of the namespace here. Public class public class program. This type of the namespace name CLS could not be found. Now we can show this way. Below we can show this way. These are the things can be taken care by the Raisel Elizer part 2 only. We can whenever we can declare any unwanted variables, any code kind of fixes we are declaration data type declaration will be have declared as a wrong way. At the time, the circle analyzer will be taken care and those things can be taken care by the cycle analyzers kind of stuffs will be taken care of this things. Now we have get an idea on that. Cycle analyzer, what is that? Cycle analyzer. Cycle analyzer is a Visual Studio Code compiler. It can be it can hit self studio code the styles, designs, fixing the error kind of things. In those server analyzers will be it will be through server analyzers will be taken care of this. There we can go. Circle analyzer can be fixing the find the issues in three ways. One is code says styling. Second one is code quality. Third one is news at sonar cube resharper kind of variables declarations. We can find the news at analyzers through news at analyzers. We can find the unwanted code variables using the circle analyzers. These are all coming under the asynchronous compilers. And other thing is solution explorer, all kind of things, build type of edit configure, editor configure file kind of errors also. We can easily can be we handle the second compilers. These are the things we can take in care by the recycling compiler IDE tools. Thank you.